everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're ready for some fun. We're going to work on a resin project today. I have a new resin heating mat, and this helps cut down the amount of time that your resin takes to cure, to dry to the tusk so you can unmold it. So let's get down to the table. Let's see what we're going to play with today. Hold on. Okay, so today I have 5 of these square coaster molds. Let's get some in it. And then this makes a holder to put your coasters in when they're done. So that's going to get the same designs as my coasters. And they're all sitting on top of my new resin heating mat. And we're going to test that out and see how well it works. And the mat also comes with a special cover to keep dust out, but also the inside of it, you'll see, is an insulated, so it keeps the heat in and helps your mat make a very nice warm environment to speed up your cure time. So today I'm going to be using my Stonecoat art resin. This is a 1-to-1 ratio resin, and I've got a batch of fun things we're going to add in. My colors for today are going to be some eye candy pigments. I've got Okinawa green, I've got Okinawa blue, I've got Sayu white, then I've got some Playsand because we're going to do a beach theme, and I've got a batch of little add-ins. I've got little pearls, little shells, and these little things are like little seashells and little starfish and little things all in gold that we're going to place in. So I'm planning on putting some resin mixed sand in the bottom part and then my colors at the top, and use the white to make some waves, and we'll see how it works. Now we're going to fill each one of these about half full, maybe a little bit more. Let them sit on the heat mat for, normally I would go with 24-hour resin, 5 hours, and then add the clear. In the case with the heat mat, I'm going to wait 2 hours and see what it looks like, and then we will give it a go and put the clear coat on. So I'm going to mix up my resin. Now for most of this I will be wearing my respirator, and since I will have my respirator on, I will not be able to speak very well to you, so you will probably see little captions down the bottom here or up at the top telling you what's going on, or I will do a voiceover. But you won't be able to actually hear me speak because I'll have a respirator on. Safety first. Got my gloves, got my respirator, and we are ready to go. So I'll see you in a minute once the resin is ready. Okay everyone, my resin is mixed. Now I've got some sand with resin mixed into it, so it's all gloopy. And then I have my Okinawa green resin. I have my Okinawa blue resin. I have my Sayu white resin. And we are ready to start filling these molds. Okay, these have sat for 2 hours. They are nice and warm. I've mixed up my clear resin for my top coat. So I'm going to cover all of the coasters with a nice clear coat to fill up those molds. And then we wait a couple more hours. Okay, everyone. Now, this is normally 24 hours to be dried at the touch. Because I've never used this mat before, I wasn't sure how long this would take to be fully dry and ready to unmold, so I let it sit a lot extra. So it did get 4 hours on the heat mat, and then I set it aside for a good bit of time. So it's been about 19 hours in all, but definitely not 24. It is nice and solid all over. It was pretty solid after 4 hours. So we're gonna unmold these babies because look at how beautiful they are. And then I'm just gonna let them sit for a good bit longer, you know, because it will take a couple days for these to fully cure, but just want to pull them out and see. So that's the back, which looks fairly nice. That's the front. Now this one did not get filled quite enough, it looks like, because it's got a bit of a lip on it, but not bad. Yeah, I think all of them could use a little more resin in them. They're not quite, they're not domed. So I may dome these. I may put some more resin on them and dome them a bit. But they're all looking really nice. Now if I'm going to dome them, I probably won't take them all out, but look at these beauties. So I'm going to leave them all in their things for a minute so that I can, except for that one, let me put his back in. But I'm really happy with how fast these are able to be unmolded. I'm just mad at myself because I really didn't put enough resin in them. But really nice. See if I can get that guy back in his mold for now. But oh, they are done. So let's unmold this guy, because this guy I don't have to worry about whether he is in need of doming or full enough, because he's, oh, okay, let's see if we can get him loose. This one spot here seems to be rather stuck. Don't know what's going on there. Hold on a minute, folks. Alright, we're gonna keep going here. Ooh. Like I said, I've never used these ones. Oh, look at that. That's cool. The little sand in the bottom. That came out really nice. I'll probably sand these edges just a bit on the bottom. But that is made so that these guys will all be able to stand in it. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's going to look so adorable with all of them in it. All right, Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Okay guys, one last view. They're all unmolded. And I'm really happy for this experiment. Okay, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Now remember, this is part of Friday with Friends, and tonight we have a special guest, Amy Johnson from White Dog Gallery by Amy Johnson. She will be between Janet from Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty and Betty from Oak by Bettina. So please follow along. After me is, of course, Joanne from Joanne Ralston Art, then Janet, then Amy, then Betty. So please follow along and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.